What's up guys, and welcome back. Today is another video on my brother's car. We have a bunch of little stuff to mess with it. We're kind of just giving him some little upgrades. I went on Amazon and bought a couple of things just to upgrade it just a little bit. I think I spent less than $100 on everything. But as far as today's video goes, we're gonna see if I can get him out here and get him messing with stuff. Really quick, I want to show you guys. Do you see what Oregon has done? I cleaned this car last week, and look at this. Look at that. So this is the little brother. This is his car. Say hi, little brother. This is, yeah. So I just showed him everything. No more surprise. It was supposed to be a surprise, but he was here. He didn't have work while I had time to be here. LED headlights, some map and dome lights, and then I can't remember what these were. I bought them because I saw a YouTube video on replacing the lights in this car, and I forgot where they go, so we'll see where those go. I got him a new shift knob because his other one's a bike grip, and then we got a wide angle mirror and some actual floor mats, not the turf ones that you guys saw. Oh, give me a little startup. Hold up.
You need my 3 cylinders?
Yeah, hold up. A little cold start for the boys with 3 cylinders. Hit it. Oh! That was right into my face. Oh. That don't sound very happy. But yeah, so these are what we're going to be replacing. And then, ow, my head. This as well. Look at how dark that is. You got your little taco holder. Everybody needs a taco holder. You got 2 taco holders? Dude, you can get a chalupa and a hard taco. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and have Jackson turn on the headlights for me real quick. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them at all, just because how bright it is outside. You can see, let me just get a little, you can see they're just barely yellow. Just barely yellow. And then he also has his low beams. Oh wait, one of your low beams is out. So, I already had my first mishap while trying to put in my brother's new lights. Whenever I was trying to get the old light bulb out, as you can see, it didn't, and it broke because one of the prongs got stuck in the connector. Alright, so now we have one halogen in, so still the old one, and then one LED in. Oh wow. Yeah, you could just tell. That is super white, and then that is like yellow. That is insane. You can see how white that is. Oh yeah. So as far as the exterior goes, that's what we did. Just put those in real quick, and it already, as you guys saw, looks so much better. So now it's time to move on to the interior, the fun stuff. Alright, so now the easiest of our mods for the day. It's just going to be a nice little shift knob. So you can see, here's the old one. So as you can see, this one is actually kind of cool. I'm not going to lie, and I need this piece, so we'll see how that goes, because I didn't think this through. So it might be a little bit saggy until I figure out something for that. That's alright though. And then we have our wide mirror. So with this specific knob, mind you, it actually does look really good like that. It comes with 4 adapters from M6 by 125 all the way up to M12 by 125, which is actually what we need for this shifter, because that's the thread pattern of Subaru manual shift knobs. So find the right one. I think for 25 bucks though, it's not a bad deal. I don't know how Jackson's gonna like it. Oh, hey, how do you like it? Dope. Looks pretty good, huh? Yeah. So here's a little before. You can't see a whole bunch, but oh my gosh, you can see everything now. Look at that. That's crazy. And this was like 12 bucks on Amazon too, so. Shift knob's on. We don't have the little boot retainer, but I'll probably get something like that, or we'll just DIY it, zip tie it or something. Here we have the new floor mats. There we have the old floor mats, new floor mat, and old floor mat. Throw old floor mat out, put new, nice, clean floor mat in, and look at that, already nicer. I don't know about nicer. The old floor mats had some uniqueness to them, to say the least. So now we're going to do the driver's side one, which isn't going to be too difficult whatsoever, because as you can see, we go out with the old, yeeted it in with the new, get a little bit, there we go, as Chris Fix would say, very nice. Very nice. Ta-da! It's magic. So now we're gonna go ahead and swap out the old interior halogens with the LEDs that I bought. LEDs are definitely worth it in your interior because at night it's really hard to see with just the plain old halogens compared to the, you know, newness of a white LED. It's just better tenfold, no doubt about that. These are gonna be the map lights. As you can see, they're a little bit toasty. Just reach in there, pop it out. So you can see there is the halogen compared to LED, and even I'm not gonna put it on yet just because it's kind of a pain to take off. But as you can see, like, that's already so much brighter than that one. So after you got the old one out, you just put that one in there, slide it up, and bam! You got some light. Let there be light, he said. All right, so the back one I found out is the 194. So I got 10 of them, but I really only need one of them. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up, you know, messing with my brother's first car. We got the floor mats in, new shift knob on, the LED headlights, LED dome lights, and then the LED backlight. I don't know what it's called, the trunk light. So we got those. It looks so much better, and I think he's gonna enjoy it a lot more. The car's a lot cleaner, as you can see. Got some new floor mats, new shifty boy, and like I said, those dome lights. Oh, we also got that wide angle mirror. It needs a bit more of a cleanup, but it's got all kinds of new stuff, and we don't plan on stopping anytime soon. But I think that might wrap up pretty much what I have planned for this car. I think the rest is gonna be on him. I can't spend any more money on him. He's already draining the bank account. So, all right, guys. Well, I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you want to, go ahead, like, subscribe. Really helps me out and helps my brother out too. Try and get him a channel eventually. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys. All right, well, I'm out.